Welcome to the final Lucy Circle tutorial in the sub-series for movements. So far we've covered movements in overview, and then we've gone into each of them for claims, releases, and publications. Today we're going to be covering deletions. So here I am in a demo account. You see that this demo account has a couple of organizations. Most daycares out there will only have one organization, and then within their organization is where they're going to have their organization profile, their daycares, and their programs. But since this is a demo account, you can see that I have multiple of these. So we're going to paint a scenario. Suppose we have this daycare right here called Always Happy Montessori, and then within this daycare, I'm going to click the organization. Suppose I run this business and also this daycare, and it's actually closing down. So we want to remove it from the system. There's a card on the right-hand side that says the organization state. You can see this one has been granted access to publish, and the current status is that it's public. Now, for organizations, we have the ability to delete them. So, the typical way that you do that, if an organization is private, and you haven't subscribed to anything or made it public in any way, you can go into the settings right here at the bottom, click on the deletions tab, and then you see right here, we have the ability to delete each organization and daycare. So let's look at the organization here and see what it says. It says the organization standing is active, that the access to publish is enabled, the publication status is public, and the deletion eligibility is by request. So we can click the help icon right here to understand a little bit more about how deletions work. You see that in order to be granted the ability to delete it, we have to have no open requests in terms of movements. The subscription has to be canceled, so we have to be in a free plan. It must not be published currently on the platform. And if we meet those three requirements, we will have the ability to delete it. However, here you see in the eligibility, it says that it's by request. And if I click this, it's because right now we've been granted the ability to publish. That means that this organization and any daycare that has already been granted the ability to publish is considered to be in the public registrar. To make sure we maintain the reliability of the system, this would have to go through a movements request. Specifically, it would have to go through a deletion request in order to make sure an admin can help you close the organization down correctly. So I'm going to click Delete Organization, Request Deletion, and you can see it's taken us directly to the new deletion page within Movements. I could go back and I would be in the deletions page, but I'm going to proceed in that manner. I'm going to click New Deletion Request, and I'm going to be deleting the entire organization. So what that means is you're going to delete the organization, the daycares, and all assets within it. I'm going to select the Always Happy Montessori, and then the reason for it is I'm going to say that this business is now closed. While these two inputs are technically optional, the more information you can tell us about why you're deleting an organization, the faster we can get it to an admin and help you close the account. Let's click Create Request. I've created a deletion request. You can see that it's currently in draft mode, and the same things as before. We have the admin chat on the right-hand side, and we can see all the entities that we'll be deleting. We can see that we're set as the applicant or the person responsible for the deletion, and then we see the timeline of events that will occur from now until the deletion is complete. Technically, you can also add supporting documents, although it will not be required for most deletion requests. I can click Submit for review, and all I'm doing now is waiting for a notification that's going to tell us when this deletion request has been approved. Let's do a refresh now. And you see, now that we've done a refresh, we can't even see the icons anymore because this organization and the daycares have now been deleted. So this deletions request is complete. It's moved to become inactive. And if I go back to my portal home, you see it's no longer within my list of organizations. So it's that simple. If you were to have a organization like this one, Maple Grove, that doesn't have anything, and I were to go to Profiles, directly within the organization, and click Delete Organization, you see this one actually does take us to the Settings page. And this is one of the ones we could simply delete by typing in the name and deleting the organization. So let's try out this second method as well. We've done that, and this organization has now moved into what's called archive mode. You'll have 30 days, in this case until May 21st, to reactivate it, or it will be permanently deleted for you. If we go back again to organizations, you see that one is no longer listed. But if we happen to go within the organizations page and we go to archived, you can restore it in this manner as well if you're looking to do that. As for the ones from the deletions request in movements, these are non-recoverable. So as soon as you put in the request and it goes through, the organization has been deleted. So there's no way to recover. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you and guide you along the way. Thanks for watching.